Bakit walang tao lagi dun sa live mo? Iniiwan mo lang talaga, ha? You look taller. No, I am not tall. I'm just 5'2". I'm small. I'm just 5'2". Stand up. Okay, I will stand up. Wait, ha? See? I'm just 5'2". I have my belly fats. That's why I am 62 kg. That's like an average height in the Philippines. Yeah, this is an average. Sino kakausapin mo nga mga mumu? Yung mga teddy bears doon. You look tall. I look tall. Maybe yes, I look tall, but I'm just 5'2". Ang lapad ng braso. Alam ko, malapad yung braso ko. Yeah, malapad talaga yung braso ko, guys. Won't you miss me? Malapad naman talaga yung braso ko, Sherwin. Oh. I have my fat arms. How's everyone, guys? Not fat. Oh my gosh. Paano ko ba sasabihin sa kanila na pataba na talaga ako? I'm fat. Okay, I am sexy. Manifesting to be sexy. I am sexy. Charot. Sana all. Pwedeng gawing palo-palo sa damit. Ang sakit mo talaga, Sherwin, magsalita. Doon sa tabing ilog, oo, pwede. You're doing 2 live stream? Yeah. I am doing 2 live stream. I am becoming more hardworking now. You look at yourself every day, so that's why you think you are fat. Maybe, yes. Next time I go for running. Tomorrow morning I go for running. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Siguro na naman dahil na naman sa damit ko, tinatago na ni ko. White. Pag sexy kasi. Yung hita pwede gawing tadala, taualan o sangkalan. Taualan, sangkalan. Oh my God. Alam ko yan. You have big muscle if you keep lifting weight. Yeah. You look like me. Yeah, I do lifting weight. Tapalan yan. Tapalan. Hoy, grabe ka sa akin talaga. Who's behind you? Your sister? My friend. My friend is with me. Don't you go, na 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 na. Okay, yeah. Uy, Sherwin, grabe ka sa akin, Sherwin, ha? Minamahal kita, hindi mo lang. Uy, Sherwin. Ikaw talaga, Sherwin, ha? Masyado ka sa akin.